Hello everyone and welcome back. It's 4 degrees right now, going for a high today of 14, then it's dropping down to 14 below tonight. Once again, spring just does not want to come. We picked up a couple of fresh inches of snow yesterday, and now the wind is going to pick up today. I think they said that the wind chills tonight will be down close to that 30 below zero, right in that range somewhere. But today for lunch and dinner, I'm going to be cooking up some chicken thighs. I've had them marinating now for about 24 hours. We're also going to do some chicken wings inside and put some sauce on those afterwards. But anyway, the grill is going. It's time to start cooking. I have some asparagus here that I've just put some olive oil and some spices in there and got them coated real good. I have the chicken thighs with the sweet and sour sauce on them. I have chicken wings here that have been marinating in Caribbean jerk. And then I've got just some wings here and a couple of thighs that just have nothing. I'll just do those regular and then we can put sauce on them after if we want. I have about an inch of canola oil in this deep pan here. I'm going to get that heating up right now. That's how I'm going to do the chicken wings. The thighs I'm going to do out on the grill. And the asparagus, I'm going to do that out on the grill also. And those are the regular thighs. These are the sweet and sour thighs. And I have 2 of them that have the Caribbean jerk on them. And these are the wings that will go into the skillet. Those are going to have to cook for maybe 10 to 12 minutes, and they have no seasoning on them at all. These are starting to look pretty good. These are the ones that have the Caribbean jerk on them. This one's going to have to be in for a couple minutes longer than the others. Well, everything is done, and this is what's for lunch and dinner. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. The sweet and sour was really good. The Caribbean jerk was really good. The asparagus was really good also. That was a really good lunch. I'll see you guys on the next video.